Roblox is finally back up. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So I went to Twitter and here at the status they say that Roblox is back online everywhere. Thank you for continued patience as we get back to normal. And after that they say it looks like most users now have access to the Roblox site. To check if your region can access Roblox, visit roblox.com/home, and if you don't have access yet, be patient. So yeah guys, now you can go to your Roblox app. I will show you in a second. So if you go to your Roblox app, you will be logged in already. So I did logged out. Well, they logged me out, and now I did nothing. I'm just logged in again. Now everything is working just fine. I don't have an error. So yeah guys, that's it. Now you can play with your friends because Roblox is back. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.